Hello, my beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to Dreas Beat. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this cute green and white glitter cut crease look. It's quite simple. I mean, if you're into makeup, but if you're not into makeup, you might need to work on some things. Anyway, let's get into the makeup. Okay? Okay, so I'm starting out by filling in my brows, and the pencil I'm using is Smoke from Absolute New York, and I'm using that to lightly fill in my brows. And this pencil is beautiful. It gives you light the like I don't know how to explain it, but it's just great. Just watch me work. Watch me work. Okay? Just watch me work. Okay, so for today, I'm kind of switching it up, opening my, keeping my options open with products. So I got some Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and I'm going in with Mahogany, and no, that's Deep Honey. I'm going in with Deep Honey, and I am going to outline my brows. And I actually like these concealers. Like, I didn't think I would have, messed with them. I thought, you know, they would slide, slip, and grind all over the place. But it actually dries in place, and that is what I look for in a concealer when I am doing makeup. And it dries. What's the word for it? I can't remember. Oh, it oxidizes, and you can see like it's not as bright as it was before. So I'm going in with the color from my Artistry Vault palette, and I'm just going to blend that out with a big fluffy brush. I love the way the big fluffy brushes give you that blended look. So I'm going to use that to achieve my desired look. But can we get into this baby hairs though? Like, hello, can we get into the baby hairs? Can we really get into the baby hairs? I'm trying to slay and slay to the god. Hello. Anyway, I'm now taking a green color from the palette, and I'm gonna apply that over my crease color, the first color that I put down, and I'm gonna try to blend that out. So I'm using the P. Louise Acid Rain base here, and I'm gonna cut my crease. This was quite easy to use. Actually, I thought it was gonna be more work, or I thought it was gonna take longer. I don't know. I think I'm getting comfortable doing my own makeup, so I'm starting to move faster, which is exciting. Yes. So I'm cutting my crease, and then I'm gonna blend that out because I don't want it to set, because they stay dry matte, and I don't want it to get difficult to blend, so I'm gonna blend that out as fast as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of that green, and I'm gonna put it in on the lid, and I'm gonna just pat that in on the acid rain base. And that was the color of that is the true color of the eyeshadow. I guess it changed color because I put it over top on a different color. um yeah, I don't know what I expected. But yeah, it still came out. It came out quite well. So I'm tapping a white from the Artistry Vault palette, and later on I'm gonna do that off camera, I believe. And I'm gonna tap some glitter glue on there, and then I applied my chunky glitter from J. LaRue Cosmetics, and the glitter is called Gold Digger. And now I'm applying some of that Blue Light Special, also from J. LaRue Cosmetics, in the inner corner of my eyes. So about this part, like, I don't know how it works for everybody else, but I find that doing the under eye shadow before I apply my foundation works better for me. I don't know, like, it's weird. I'm weird, but I love it. And the method works for me, so that's how I've been doing it. And yes, I did my foundation off camera. I have a few videos showing how I do my foundation. If you guys are interested in seeing that, and you can refer back to those previous videos, and you'll get all the info. So I'm applying this is Too Faced concealer. I think it is in Honey, and I apply Honey and Mahogany, and I'm gonna blend that out on my chin, my nose, my under eye. But you guys see those brows, how nice and flawless and beautiful they are. This pencil is everything. Like, I would suggest, if you're an up and coming makeup artist and you need brow pencils, you know, ones that are not gonna smudge and run and drip and drop and do all that extra stuff, get the Absolute New York brow pencil. It's only $6, $6 or $5, and it's way cheaper, and the quality is superb. Okay, so get it. I would suggest you guys getting that pencil. It works like magic. So using my beauty booty blender, I'm gonna blend out the concealer underneath my eye.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so now I'm taking some of my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix foundation in NW58, and I'm gonna run that along my nose just so I can contour my nose and get that nice defined sculpted nose. I like my nose contour to be just right. I don't like it too skinny or too, all over the place. I like it just in the middle, somewhere in the middle. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my phone footage, and it came out well. I kind of switched up the hairstyle a little from what you guys see in the intro. And yeah, bye guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end and you're still here listening and watching a black screen, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Bye.